Yo, what's going on, guys? Pretty much, Dream has been called a cheater in quotations because he didn't cheat. Uh, from this guy, I don't even know his name. He's just a clout chaser, you know. Pretty much, this man is saying a bunch of math, and I'm gonna prove his math wrong with facts and logic. So really, just watch this part of his video, and I'll show it, and I'll prove why it's wrong.
But just how rare are dreams traits? To answer this, we first need to look at some basic statistics, specifically at these models called binomial distributions. The goal of a binomial distribution is to show how likely a random event happens if that event only happens a certain percentage of the time. To get a better understanding of these distributions, let's take a look at a classic example, flipping a coin, to see how it works. It's common knowledge that when you flip a coin, it's a 50-50 chance it either lands on heads or tails. But obviously, if you go to flip a coin right now, it's pretty likely that you'll get something like 3 heads in a row, or at the very least something that doesn't fit the 50-50 ratio immediately. Taking this to the extreme, getting something like 37 heads in a row would be pretty rare, while getting something like 17 heads mixed with 20 tails seems about average. What binomial distributions do is quantify just how lucky any one of these scenarios is. Let's take the case where you flip 10 coins and want to see how likely getting any particular number of heads is. Here you can see for each number of heads there's a certain height, which represents the probability that after 10 flips, that's the number of heads there are.
Alright, so you heard him. He's pretty much saying it's impossible to get 20 heads in a row. And I'm gonna prove him wrong by flipping the coin 20 times, and that 20 times it's just gonna be heads. I'm gonna prove him wrong. Okay? Heads. Nice. Look at that. Heads again. Heads again. Look at that. Heads again. Oh, this is so easy. Heads again. 20. What is that? 6 times? 7. 8. Wait, that's tails. Oh. Shit. Alright, no, it's heads. Alright, what? Whoop. Heads. Heads. Look at that. Unbeatable. I think that's 10 times. Heads. Heads. Oh, look at that. Heads. 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 You get the point. You didn't cheat. You're a bunch of fucking liars.